Let's go to the opening. This is what you are saying, huh? How to create an opening. There are two ways to create an opening in the walls with Revit. Let's go to our ground level. So let's this wall. Go to our level 1. So our goal is to have like an opening. This will be our entrance, and this will be on the side. So first type of opening is using your, select the wall. You have what we call as wall opening. Okay, so we have that command in Revit. You select that, and then you select the wall where you want to create the opening. Let's say you want to create the opening here, that much opening. That is already an opening. You go to your, what is this elevation? South elevation. You have created a wall opening. Okay, so by default, the wall opening is this size. So you can adjust it just using your controls. Now you will ask me, how can I make the arch wall? So by default, we don't have that in Revit here. So you need another type of another way of creating that opening for your wall. So how to do that? So for example, let's just move this opening to this side. Okay, so it will be an opening here. Then here we'll make like an arched opening. So what you do that is when you are in the elevation view, you can edit the profile. Okay, it's what you call edit profile. So similar to what we did earlier when we were in the floor plan, we edited the slab. We changed the shape, right? We added the balcony, and then we even cut the opening when we did that for the double height area. So now, at the same way that we did that, we'll do it on the elevation part. Okay, so now we edit the profile, click edit profile. Then you're in the sketch mode now. When this turns purple, turns magenta color, you can do the sketch. So you just select your line. This is bugging us. Use line. Say you do that. Then you use the arch. Start and radius. Like that. Then maybe stop here. Put that like that. Then go back to your line. There. Then click escape. You're not done yet because as I said earlier, when you are editing a slab or a wall, it should just be one continuous polyline. Okay, so here we have a problem. So that means we need to again split this, use the split tool, and then use your trim extend to corner tool just to clean this. Okay, so now it looks like that. It should be fine. You can now click the finish edit mode. So now you have that opening. Look at the 3D. There is your opening for that.